Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center has established itself as a leader in the exploding luxury med spa industry, an industry estimated to be over $270 billion by 2030.
If you look at the projections and the future predictions of what they're saying, this industry is showing massive transformation and growth over the next 5 years.
Now you can invest in Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center, one of the leading companies driving this growth, with 24 centers nationwide, generating $36 million annually, with plans to expand to 100 centers by 2029.
Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center, it's not just the brick and mortars, the clinics that we have, the franchise clinics, but it's also the products. So there's a recurring revenue when people buy our skincare products, supplements, vitamins. That's reoccurring. Every month they're buying into the product.
Ranked by Inc. 5000 as one of the fastest growing companies 4 years in a row. Now it's your chance. For the first time ever, you can invest in this rapidly expanding company, leading the growth in American med spas. Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center offers proven, cutting-edge aesthetic treatments, weight loss solutions, hormone therapy, and the list goes on.
Hi, I'm Allie Landry. The reason I've come to Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center for so long is because they provide for many of my needs. Everything from chronic pain we've addressed here, and I have to say I am pretty much 90% better than when I started. Hair loss, skin rejuvenation, skin tightening. I don't think I look my age, I have to say. I'm 51, proud to say it. I have to say, I really do trust Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center for all of my beauty and wellness needs. They definitely keep me looking my best.
A rejuvenation center is the clinic of the future, and that is what Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center is. We've created the synergy between marketing, management, leadership, medicine, and long-term strategic planning. And that means we're marrying medicine with aesthetics, with wellness, holistic care, with science and research. Long-term, our goal is to be the cutting-edge clinic of the future, and that's what you're investing in.
Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center is committed to delivering exceptional services in state-of-the-art facilities led by the finest professionals dedicated to providing first-class customer experiences. Our mission also includes fostering upward growth and impressive returns for our investors, ensuring a bright future for all involved.
Don't miss your chance to invest before they're acquired or go public. Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center, leading the growth in American med spas.